Fidget toys. Fidget toys. Fidget toys.
Simple Dimple. Pop it. Добавляй. Забирай.
I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it.
It's a rare, exclusive, limited edition charm bracelet.
Huh? Are you ready? This better go viral.
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
My fidgets are getting out of hand. I have so many of them, but this organizer is just getting too small. So I bought a new one. Let's organize my fidgets. First of all, I'm just going to peel off this sticker here. And I took out the wheels because I don't think I'm going to use them. Now I think that it's best we start on poppets. I have these two random bins that are mostly filled with poppets, but they have some other things in them too. So let's just get all the poppets out. Okay, now in the bins, I only have poppets. I'm going to put them in the two bottom drawers. In here is where all of the poppet products will go. So not necessarily poppets, but like phone cases and bags. I also put some giant poppets in here too. Next drawer, just normal poppets. Let's put them in. Finished. Next is dimples. And they'll go right in here. There we go. I put my dimple digits in the back, my dimples there. The turtle and ladybug ones here, and all of my hard shell poppets right here. Come back for the next drawer.
Let's cut open an already broken fidget. Today I chose this gemstone stress ball. As soon as I cut it open, it was definitely shocking. I did not expect that much liquid to come out. The inside felt almost like the stuffing for Easter baskets, and it was a very pretty iridescent color. I didn't think this one was as satisfying to cut open, but what do you guys think?
My friend rates my fidgets. Pop it.
8 out of 10.
Simple dimple.
6 out of 10.
This axolotl dough ball.
10 out of 10.
Globble.
8 out of 10.
Play-Doh floam.
10 out of 10.
Crackle slime.
9.5.
Balloon animal.
0 out of 10.
Splat ball.
5 out of 10.
Mochi.
0 out of 10.
The famous bubblegum slime.
It's pretty good. 10 out of 10.
This crunchy slime.
0 out of 10.
Hearted mint chocolate slime.
10 out of 10.
Making a Lego fidget. Build. I'm making a blue-themed one. I didn't have enough of the right pieces. Oops, forgot one part. Better. Ta-da. Bye.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you what I got from the mall. Also, sorry I won't be posting that much today, I'm at a friend's house. The first thing I got is this giant stress ball. So here it is, and this feels so good. It's a lot better when you do it with 2 hands, but I love this one. It's kind of like a giant Nido, but with texture. The next thing I got is this purple hexagon poppet. So here it is, and this is the quiet side. Here's the loud side. Overall, it's pretty good. Doesn't make the best sounds, but it's still pretty good. And the last thing I got is a carrot poppet. So here it is, and I like this one a lot better. It has little bunnies on it, which gives it a pretty good texture. Both sides sound pretty similar, but I think this is the loud side. That's all. Bye!